VAPSanitaire single motor clean air uprights, part of our ultra quiet, ultra durable, quiet clean line. These uprights are available in bagged and bagless versions with 13 and 15-inch cleaning paths. They're ideal for professional cleaning of offices, schools, healthcare facilities, hotel and government spaces. Each model delivers on Sanitaire's commitment to quality products and reduced cost of ownership. The single motor upright provides deep carpet cleaning with a long life, commercial grade motor with 10 amps of power and our True Balance double ball bearing brush roll, which is engineered for superior cleaning and smooth, quiet operation. You can count on these quiet clean models to run whisper quiet. The machines operate at a mere 69 decibels for efficient and effective cleaning anytime, day or night. You can also count on Sanitaire for unsurpassed filtration. These models offer sealed HEPA filtration, so they can capture and remove 99.97% of microscopic particles such as dust, dander, and mold down to 0.3 microns. A clean air system on the bagless models also provides the ultimate in bagless filtration. The 13-inch cleaning path variant is perfect for maneuvering in tight areas with a light 17-pound frame. You'll clean more and stop to unplug less, thanks to a 40-foot-long double-insulated power cord. This platform has a 3-in-1 stretch hose and onboard tools for convenient and effective detail cleaning. Tools include wand, crevice tool, and dusting brush. Quiet Clean single-motor uprights can help you go green and save green. They come with washable filters that can be rinsed and reused for up to 3 full years, delivering substantial savings while providing superior filtration. And the bagless models have an extra-large 3.5 dry quart dust bin that eliminates the expense of bags, saving you on average $100 per year per cleaner. Both models have the CRI seal of approval and are LEED compliant. Finally, our Quiet Clean models allow quick changes of bags, filters, belts, and cords with few or no tools, so you can easily manage routine maintenance yourself and get right back to cleaning instead of halting work and wasting time and money on repair services. All Sanitaire vacuums are backed by the Sanitaire Promise of Performance warranty, which covers parts, materials, workmanship, and labor to further reduce maintenance costs and downtime for up to 2 full years. Sanitaire products are also backed by a network of more than 1,200 warranty service centers throughout the United States. To learn more about the powerful, durable, single-motor Quiet Clean uprights, visit our website.